Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find your BitMart ID. First of all, go ahead and launch open the BitMart application and make sure that you're logged into your account by using your login credentials. Your BitMart ID or your BitMart user ID is a unique identifier associated with your BitMart account. You will be able to find it inside your profile menu. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home page, and right after you do that, your ID will be displayed under your email at the top. You can use this user ID for account verification, for internal tracking of transactions, account activities and records, for your security and anti-fraud measures, and much more. If you want to copy your user ID, you can simply tap on your user ID and you will then be able to copy it from your profile. So that is how you easily find your BitMart user ID. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.